The Sony A7V is anticipated to be the fifth-generation entry in the highly regarded A7 series. This line has consistently delivered an outstanding balance between image quality, portability, and advanced video capabilities, making it a favorite among hybrid shooters who need a camera that performs well in both arenas. While the A7R models typically focus on ultra-high-resolution stills and the A7S versions have targeted videographers with their impressive low-light performance, the standard A7 series has always been the well-rounded workhorse, perfect for those who want it all. The previous A7 IV already impressed with its excellent performance. So expectations for the A7V are naturally high. Regulatory listing suggests a launch as near. Recent updates from Indonesia's SDPPI certification database revealed a new Sony camera with the model number WW277226. Although the exact name was not disclosed, the numbering closely aligns with Sony's typical naming structure for its alpha full-frame cameras. The timing and model code strongly indicate that this is likely the A7V. Several factors support this conclusion. Other recent Sony releases, such as the A7R4 and A7CR, have either just launched or are not due for replacement, reports suggest. The A7S line may not continue as Sony shifts its focus towards cinema-centric FX cameras. The A7 series is logically next in line for an update. Expected launch timeline: if history is any guide, Sony may officially introduce the A7V around March or April 2025, potentially using CP Plus 2025, a major photography event in Japan, as its launch platform. Based on Sony's usual marketing rhythm, teaser campaigns and official invitations might surface by late February. After the formal reveal, retail availability is expected by mid-year, possibly in July, though this will depend on production schedules and global shipping conditions. Key features and anticipated specifications. Let's explore the most exciting features rumored for this upcoming camera. New 44MP full-frame sensor. One of the biggest upgrades could be a brand new 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, a significant jump from the 33MP sensor used in the previous model. This enhanced resolution is likely to be paired with faster readout speeds and improved dynamic range. Photographers and filmmakers can expect better low-light sensitivity, reduced rolling shutter, cleaner high ISO output, increased color accuracy, 4K video at 120 frames per second. Perhaps the most exciting advancement is the potential for 4K recording at 120 frames per second. This feature would offer smooth, cinematic slow-motion footage in ultra-high detail, a capability often reserved for more expensive cinema cameras. This would position the A7V as an attractive option for filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators seeking professional-level performance in a compact body. Next-level autofocus powered by AI. Sony is expected to push autofocus technology further by leveraging artificial intelligence. The A7V might feature an advanced autofocus system capable of real-time IAF with faster and more accurate subject tracking, precise detection of animals, birds, vehicles, and possibly even drones, predictive focus algorithms to keep fast-moving subjects sharp, enhanced focus bracketing options for macro photography. A dedicated AI processing unit may be introduced to handle these complex tasks separately from the main image processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance. A filmmakers powerhouse for video creators, the A7V is shaping up to be an all-in-one solution. Expected features include 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, multiple compression options, including all-I and long GOP, built-in color profiles like S-Cinetone and S-Log3 for cinematic results, improved heat management for longer recording times, potential for unlimited video recording without overheating. There are also whispers of possible ProRes RAW output via HDMI when using compatible external recorders, further increasing the camera's versatility for high-end video production. Still photography enhancements. Although the A7V will undoubtedly attract filmmakers, photographers won't be left behind. Anticipated improvements include upgraded in-body image stabilization, possibly up to 8 stops of compensation, faster continuous shooting speeds, likely in the 12 to 15 frames per second range, dual native ISO for improved image quality in challenging lighting conditions, enhanced JPEG processing for beautiful color straight out of the camera, anti-reflective sensor coatings to minimize ghosting and lens flare. The buffer performance is also expected to improve significantly, allowing for longer high-speed bursts without slowing down. Processing power, new generation engine. Sony may introduce a next-generation image processor, possibly the Bionz XR2, to power the A7V. This would likely deliver quicker camera startup and image processing, smoother live view and focus tracking, superior noise reduction, even at high ISOs, real-time lens correction for vignetting and chromatic aberrations. This extra processing power would also be crucial for driving the new AI autofocus and computational photography features, ports, media, and connectivity. Modern content creators need robust connectivity, And the A7V is expected to deliver dual card slots supporting CF Express Type A and UHS-2 SD cards, full-size HDMI for external video capture, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 for fast data transfer, and charging headphone and microphone inputs for professional audio. Monitoring wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. The camera is likely to support real-time tethering and FTP transfer, which will appeal to studio and event photographers who need to deliver images quickly. Body design and usability. Sony is unlikely to make radical changes to the camera's body, but some thoughtful refinements may be introduced: a deeper, more comfortable grip for improved handheld stability, redesigned joystick and control button layout for faster operation, enhanced weather sealing for outdoor shooting, potential addition of passive cooling vents similar to those on other Sony models. The familiar form factor ensures compatibility with many existing accessories, such as cages, batteries, and mounts. Projected pricing. The expected price point is around $2,499, aligning with the launch price of the previous model. Sony may offer competitive bundles, possibly including kit lenses or creator accessory packages to attract first-time buyers. Older models like the A7 IV are likely to see price reductions, providing excellent alternatives for budget-conscious users. Sony appears to be taking the lead with higher resolution, superior autofocus, and advanced video capabilities, making the A7V an extremely competitive option. The rise of AI in cameras are rapidly becoming smarter, and the A7V may showcase just how far this trend has come. Expect to see cutting-edge computational photography, such as subject recognition powered by machine learning, real-time background separation, intelligent focus tracking based on predicted movement, automated scene optimization for both photos and video. These features will help users of all skill levels achieve professional-looking results with less effort. Why the Sony A7V matters for photographers. The A7V could be the ultimate all-purpose camera, offering more resolution than mid-range models, faster performance than higher megapixel bodies, class-leading autofocus inherited from flagship cameras. For video creators, this camera eliminates the need to choose between a dedicated cinema body and a photo-first design. It's expected to offer stunning 4K slow-motion high-end color profiles, robust thermal performance for long recording sessions. The A7V is shaping up to be a truly versatile camera capable of meeting the demands of today's hybrid creators. Final thoughts. A major step forward. The Sony A7V could mark a pivotal moment in the evolution of mirrorless cameras. It's not just about adding more megapixels or pushing higher frame rates, it's about intelligent imaging that blends computational power with high-end hardware in a seamless, user-friendly package. As 2025 approaches, camera enthusiasts can expect exciting developments across the industry, but this upcoming release is poised to be one of the standout moments of the year. Stay tuned for more updates as the launch window draws closer.